Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Progressive Insurance how to get a code. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to get a Progressive Insurance code, what you need to do first is simply head over to the browser and on the search bar type in progressive.com, and then be sure to be logged into your account as well. Then once logged into your account, what you need to do is use Progressive tools to customize coverage. Use the name your price tool, or use the car insurance calculator to estimate how much coverage you need, or liability, collision, or etc. before getting a quote. Then next is to select what you want and get a accurate rate you'll need to provide by simply filling your details and vehicle details, your driving history, your zip code, and other relevant information. The next is to compare rates using AutoQuote Explorer. This helps you decide whether Progressive offer is competitive. And next, if you don't finish the quote process in one session, you can repeat it later using a quote number or the email you used. And if online quoting is difficult, you can always call the Progressive to get a quote by simply typing on the contact us option. To do it, simply tap on the contact us option on the home screen and call on the provided number and ask for the code. Or you can also work with local Progressive agent, and they can walk you through options and help tailor coverages. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.